Congratulations, we have finished our hospital scrub. So let us just look at the finished product. This is our finished product. This is the top, the scrub. That is what it looks like. See the neck line. That's what it looks like. Very beautiful. I've joined my pockets. I've joined my hands. Exactly the way I told you to join it in the last video. So once you do that, to come out very beautiful, very perfect, very fitting. So this is the top. It's completely ready and beautiful. I did a little thing on the pockets. I can show you how to do this in one of my videos. You can look at it in one of my courses. You'll see how to do this if you want to do it. And of course, the trouser is also ready. This is the trouser. It's ready. I've sewn everything together. And of course, I have added my logo. I've added my logo. I can show you how to do this look. I did this logo from the comfort of my house. I didn't get it from anywhere. I did it with my computer and my printer. I can also do a short course on how to do this. If you're interested in it, you can also check that out. So you can do your own personal logo from your house without having to give money to anybody, as long as you have a computer and you have a color printer. You know how to do your own logo and then attach it to your products to give it that unique mark that is yours alone. As for the trouser, I also had to do a rope. Remember, you can do a rope for your trouser, or you can do use elastic. It depends on you, or depends on who you're sewing it for. So you just do a rope for the waist of the trouser. So I want to sincerely appreciate you for coming to the end of this course, for the patience, for the interest, and for also patronizing my website. And I want to say congratulations, and I'll very much love it if you can just send me a picture of your finished scrub. And also, if you have any problems whatsoever, just get to contact page on the website and write whatever it is the problem. My website is there for you, and I will answer you as soon as possible. At least under 48 hours, you get an answer from me. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful sewing life.